In this course, you have homework problems for each workshop that you must turn in. And if you look at the directions for those, it says that we should put them all in one Excel file with each problem on a different worksheet. And I want to do a quick illustration to show you how I would do that, okay? So let's say that our first problem we have to do in the workshop is a problem which will only require us to write a text answer. So I've opened up Excel here, and I'm going to hit Insert and go to Shapes and pick a text box. And if I drag that cursor across there, I get a text box. And so I type my text answer. All right, so now that I've got that, I go down to where it says Sheet 1. I right-click on that and say Rename. And let's use a coding system here. The problems are either questions to review or problems and applications. So let's say this first one is a questions for review problem. So I'm in chapter 1, say. Questions to review will abbreviate that QR1. So that's chapter 1, questions to review, problem 1. All right. So now we have to do another one. So the second problem, maybe let's say it is a problems and applications problem and requires us to draw a graph. So to draw a graph, I would go here to Shapes and get a line tool and draw a graph. Don't have to spend a lot of time on this. Something like this. Maybe it'll be show a demand curve or something of that nature, something like that. Okay, so there I have a problem where it requires a graph, so I can make the graph on Excel. And it could also be that I have to add text to this one as well. So I would pick a text box and also type in some text. So the problems are going to be either all text, text and graphs, or just graphs, okay? So I would type in my text for that one. So let's say this one is problems and applications, all right? Chapter 1, we'll rename it. Chapter 1, problems and applications. 8, let's say, okay? And then I would just string each problem along here, one problem for each sheet, and then my file would be complete for that workshop. And then I could turn that whole thing in, and that would be the homework assignment, homework problems for that one assignment that's in each workshop. If you have any questions, you can send me an email or come to the forum, faculty forum, and I'll help you out, okay? Thanks.